Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the what is a data scientist roadmap. By the end of 2026, automation and agenting artificial intelligence will handle most routine data cleaning and boilerplate coding. How to become a data scientist and what is a data scientist roadmap of data scientist. For this for data scientist we need these skills: mathematics and statistics, Python languages, data management, data wrangling, data visualization, machine learnings, and soft skills like communications and teamwork. Data scientist. A data scientist uses data to understand and explain the phenomena around them and help organization make better decisions. At their core, data scientists are problem solvers. Because of the major insight they can offer businesses, they are also in demand. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, careers in data science are self-assured to grow rapidly in the coming years, making this a rewarding career choice with significant growth potential. What does a data scientist do? Data scientists determine the questions their team should be asking and figure out how to answer those questions using data. They often develop predictive models for hypothesizing and forecasting. A data scientist might do the following tasks on a day to day basis: find patterns and trends in datasets to uncover insight, create algorithms and data models to forecast outcome, use machine learning techniques to improve the quality of data or product offerings, communicate recommendation to the other team and senior staff, deploy data tools such as Python, R, SAS, or SQL in data analysis, stay on top of innovations in the data science field. A data science career can be intellectually challenging and analytically satisfying while also putting you at the forefront of new technologies. Data scientist, analyst, and engineers jobs. Data science jobs are becoming familiar and necessary for companies across the global to optimize quality and financial growth. At the Gallons, here are some in demand data science jobs you should consider exploring in the field. Data scientists identify the questions their teams should ask and figure out how to answer them with data. Using their advanced knowledge and experience, data scientists must often develop predictive models and algorithms to theorize forecast outcomes. Data analysts collect, analyze, evaluate, review, organize, and visualize data. They use various techniques such as statistical and cluster analysis to identify trends that help others make more informed business decisions. Data engineers build systems that can automatically collect, store, manage, and analyze data sets so that other data professionals can spot trends and patterns for the interpretations. Differences between data scientist and data analyst. The work of data analyst and data scientist can seem similar. Both find trends or patterns in data or reveal new ways for organizations to make better decisions about operations. But data scientists tend to have gather responsibility and are generally considered more senior than data analysts. Data scientists are often expected to formulate their own questions about the data, while data analysts might support teams that already have set goals. A data scientist might also spend more time to developing models using machine learning, incorporating advanced programming to find and analyze data. 7 skills every data scientist should have. The most important skills data scientists need are technical skills such as maneuvering and wrangling massive amount of data to make sense of it all. But you will also need strong interpersonal skills. Science data scientists work collaboratively with business analysts and data analysts to conduct analysis and communicate their findings with stakeholders. The first skill is programming, statistics and probability, data wrangling and database management, machine learning and deep learning, data visualizing, cloud computing, interpersonal skills. Programming. Programming language such as a Python are necessary for data scientists or to sort, analyze and manage large amount of data. As a data scientist just starting out, you should know the basic concept of data science and being familiarizing yourself with how to use Python. Popular programming languages include Python, R, SAS, SQL. Statistics and probability. In order to write high quality machine learning models and algorithms, data scientists need to learn statistics and probability. For machine learning, it is essential to use statistical analysis concepts like linear regression. Data scientists need to be able to collect, interpret, organize, and present data and to fully comprehend concepts like mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. Here are different types of statistical techniques you should know: descriptive and inferential statistics, Bayesian statistics, probability distributions, dimension reduction, data wrangling and database management. Data wrangling is the process of cleaning and organizing complex data sets to make them easier to access and analyze. Manipulating the data to categorize it by patterns and trend and to correct any input data values can be time consuming but necessary to make data driven decision. This is also related to understanding database management. You are expected to extract data from the different sources and transform it into a suitable format for query and analysis and then load it into data warehouse systems. Useful tools for data wrangling include Altair, Talent, Alteryx, Trifecta, and Tamer, and database management tools includes MySQL, MongoDB, machine learning, and deep learning. As a data scientist, want to submerge yourself in machine learning and deep learning, incorporating these techniques helps you improve as a data scientist will be able to gather and synthesize data more efficiently while also predicting the outcomes of a future data sets. For example, you can forecast how many ICU admission in your department will have based on the previous month data using linear regression. Later on, you can boost your knowledge to include more sophisticated models like random forest. Some machine learning algorithms to know includes linear regression, logistic regressions, naive Bayes decision tree, random forest algorithm, k nearest neighbor, k means algorithm. Data visualization. Data scientists also want to build your skills in visualization of data. Being able to create charts and graphs is important for being a data scientist. With strong visualization skills, you can present your work to stakeholders so that the data tells a compelling story of the business inside. Familiarity with the following tools should prepare you well: Microsoft Excel, Tabula, and Power BI, cloud computing. As a data scientist, most likely need to use cloud computing tools that help you analyze and visualize data stored in cloud platforms. Some certifications will especially focus on cloud service such as Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. These tools provide data professionals with access to cloud-based database and frameworks that are key to advancing technology. Cloud computing is used in many industries now, so it is important in data science to become familiar with the concept behind interpersonal skills. Data scientists want to develop workplace skills such as communication in order to form a strong working relationship with your team members and be able to present your findings to stakeholders. Just as data visualization is important for communicating the data insights you uncover as a data scientist, so is being able to collaborate with teams successfully. Here are interpersonal skills you can build upon: active listening, effective communication skills, sharing feedback, attention, leadership, empathy, and public speaking. Thank you and subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.